2006 LULL 644E-42. .42 of height extension, 35-foot reach. Roller carriage. Foam filled tires. Right over 5,200 hours. Four-speed forward. 3-speed reverse, power shift transmission. £6,000 weight capacity. Backing me up all the way across the parking lot. Four-foot forks, oscillating forks, quick attach, oscillating carriage. Come check this machine out here at Southern Equipment Sales here in Finger, Tennessee. You can check it out on our website, southern equipment llc.com.